Good morning, doctor. Good morning. What's troubling you? I have had a bad headache. Since when? Since yesterday evening. Did you get enough sleep? No, I worked late on my laptop. That's the cause. Do you feel dizzy too? Yes, a little. Don't worry. It's due to stress and less sleep. Do I need medicine? Yes, just one mild tablet. Thank you, doctor. Get well soon. Good evening, madam. May I see your boarding pass? Sure. Here it is. Thank you. Your seat is 14A by the window. Oh, perfect. I like window seats. Can I place your bag in the overhead bin? Yes, please. All done. Would you like some water? Yes. I'm really very thirsty. The flight time is 2 hours. Okay. Please fasten your seat belt. Done. Do you need a blanket or pillow? A blanket, please. It feels cold. Madam, would you like to have your meal now? Yes, please. What options do you have? We have vegetarian and non-vegetarian. I will take vegetarian, please. Sure. Would you like pasta or sandwich? Pasta, please. Here is your tray. Thank you. Do you also have juice? Yes. Apple or orange juice? Orange, please. Here you go. Thank you. Would you like tea or coffee after your meal? Coffee, please. Okay. Great service. Thank you. Where would you like to go? To the railway station, please. Do you want AC on? Yes, please. How long will it take? Around 20 minutes. Can you drive faster? Sorry, there is traffic. How much is the fare? $50. Do you take card payments? Yes, I do. Can you drop me near that mall? Sure. Is this the shortest route? Yes, it is. Can I open the window? Yes, you can. Is it safe to travel at night? Yes, it's safe. Do you know this address? Yes, I know the place. Do you use GPS? Yes, I do. Can you wait here for me? Okay. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you drink tea or coffee? I drink coffee. Do you check your phone after waking up? Yes, I check my messages. How do you go to the office? I go by bus. Do you exercise daily? Yes, I do exercise daily. Do you read the newspaper daily? Yes, I read it every morning. When do you check your emails? Usually before leaving for work. Do you like cooking dinner? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you go for a walk daily? Yes, I walk in the park. Do you like reading books at night? Yes, I read for 20 minutes. Do you plan your next day? Yes, I make a to-do list. What's the last thing you do before sleep? I usually read or pray. Where is the check-in counter? It's near the waiting area. Can I see your passport, please? Yes, here it is. Do you have any luggage to check in? Yes, I have one suitcase. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. What's the weight of your bag? It's 18 kg. Are you carrying any liquids? No, I am not. Where is the security check? It's after the check-in counter. What's your final destination? Paris. How long is the flight? Around 9 hours. Where is the boarding gate? Gate number 12. Excuse me, where is the restroom? It's near the waiting area. Is the flight on time? Yes, it is. Can I get a trolley for my bags? Yes, outside the entrance. What's the Wi-Fi password on board? It will show on your screen. Do I need customs check? Yes. Please go through that line. Keep practicing every day and soon You will speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.